Hello and welcome to Computer Bits Daily. Today we will learn how to write a simple C program and understand basic structure of C program. So let's learn it. In next step, you will learn how to create and save C program using Dev C++ software. Create folder on desktop and give it a name C program. Now open Dev C++ software, go to File and click on New tab and Source File to open code window, shortcut key to open code window. Now save this file to the folder we already created on the desktop. Give file name first C program and select save type as C source file and save this program file. Now we are going to type our first C program in this file as include stdio.h. This is standard input output library. Integer main function, opening brace and closing brace. This is the body of this function. Here in printf function, type welcome message in double quotation. Welcome to Computer Bits Daily, and end this statement with semicolon. Type return 0. Each and every statement must end with semicolon. Now we will compile the program. Preprocessing, compiling, assembling and linking are the four phases in the compilation process. Compilation is a process of converting source code written in any programming language into machine level language. Compilation converts source code into object code in the C programming. A compiler is the software that is used for this conversion. You can use online compiler or offline compiler. Now I am dividing this screen into two parts. One part have this software window and another part have this folder window. So you can see what and which file is generated at the time of compilation. Go into software window and click on execute. Click on compile and compile result will appear with no error and no warnings. And you can see at the time of compilation there is executable file is generated. Now go to execute and click on run, and output window is appeared before you. This is output. Welcome to Computer Bits Daily. Congratulations! Now you are able to create, compile and run C program. Now let's understand basic statement of C program. This is stdio.h header file, stand for standard input output header file. It contains inbuilt function that you can use directly in your program. To include header file, you need to write has include statement. This is main function, and each program must have one main function. This is starting of main function and this is end of the main function. Everything in main function gets executed. This is logical start and this is logical end of the function. This is printf function. To display any message or to write any message on output terminal, we use this function. This function is inbuilt function and is included in stdio.h header file. To provide a response to a caller function, return statement is used, and usually this is the last statement of any C function. This is main function of program. It has two statements, printf function statement and return statement. Each and every statement must end with semicolon. Missing this semicolon will give an error. You can run and learn C program using different ways, like on smartphone using Termux, using online compiler, or offline compiler on your computer. This is the time to test yourself. Are you ready? Here is the question number 1. Every statement in C must end with option number 1, close curly bracket, option number 2, comma, option number 3, colon, option number 4, semicolon. Select the right option. Take your time. Okay, let's see the answer, and the answer is semicolon. Here is the question number 2. At the end of the compilation process, which new file is generated in C programming? Option number 1, .exe executable file. Option number 2, .obj object file. Option number 3, .i. Option number 4, .c. Select the right answer. I hope you have selected the right answer. Let's see the answer, and answer is .exe file. Thank you for learning with Computer Bits Daily. Keep learning, keep sharing, stay safe.